Hello! Today we're going to change out the Ford Fiesta ST 2014 factory air filter, and we're going to put in a green performance air filter. So, taking out the factory filter, just have to loosen up your air cover, taking the Torx head screws out. This is a T20 bit. There's actually 5 screws holding the air cleaner in. This one can be a bit of a joy to get to. Spring clips would have been a lot nicer. Not sure why they decided to use screws other than they work. We'll loosen up our band so we can get the air cleaner off the lid. Our mass airflow plug off, move that out of the way, lift the cleaner up, the lid, and we'll set that over here. We'll take out the factory air cleaner, which you can tell is rather thick. And we will replace it with the Performance Green Air Filter. Now this is a factory drop-in, so it just fits right in, and you can see it's a little smaller, a little thinner. Then we put the lid back on. Screw holes lined up. We'll plug in the mass airflow, making sure we seat the red clip. Tighten the airbox lid down. Take out 7mm socket, rotate the band, and we will secure our air intake tube. Don't go too tight on it, obviously, so you don't crush it, but you want it snug so it seals. Alright, let's see how it sounds. There you have it, the performance screen air filter is installed in the 2014 Ford Fiesta ST. Now we'll get some better mileage hopefully, and a little better throttle response.